Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode of Making Money with Natasha. In today's episode, I am going to be telling you about recruitment agencies that will give you a well-paying job even if you don't have a degree. These are agencies that are currently hiring South Africans to work as independent contractors or freelancers. This means you won't have a permanent position, but you will work on your own as a contractor. With these agencies, you can expect to earn up to 25,000 rands per month, or even more while working at home. These agencies offer online jobs that require no degree. They are looking for South Africans skilled in administration, social media management, recruiting, and sales. There are also other job opportunities available with these agencies. If you are considering a career change, want to work for yourself from home, or are looking for higher paying jobs, then these opportunities could be a good fit for you. I will discuss 3 of these recruiting agencies, explaining how to apply, payment details, and showcasing the available job positions. I have personally applied to some of them and will share my experience. Let's start with the first agency, Remote Recruitment. Remote Recruitment specializes in sourcing talented professionals from South Africa for remote work with UK-based businesses. These are some of the available jobs, such as digital marketing, appointment setter, executive assistant, project coordinator, and many more. For instance, an appointment setter can earn 22,000 rands per month working full-time for a UK-based company from Monday to Friday, and all you do is schedule appointments, build and maintain strong relationships with clients, and manage follow-ups to secure meetings. Another job option is working as a B2B digital marketing specialist, which also pays 25,000 rands, and all you do is to create professional, engaging content to enhance the brand's presence on platforms such as LinkedIn and Google Ads. You should match your skills and expertise to the available job positions. To apply, you will need to answer some questions, provide personal information, and submit your application. You can expect to hear back within 3 to 5 working days after submitting your application. If your application is approved, you will be asked to attend your first interview. This interview will involve an assessment to determine if you meet the requirements and can perform the job tasks. If you pass the assessment, you will move on to a second interview where they will try to get to know you better. If you perform well in the second interview, you may be offered a job. Moving on to another recruiting agency that is hiring South Africans is Leverage Virtual. This agency, based in the US, specializes in providing highly skilled virtual assistants. They have a thorough training and screening process before you can work as a virtual assistant for them. Positions available include executive assistant, bookkeeper, video editor, and web builder. There are several other positions available that offer weekly pay. Therefore, you will receive your payment on a weekly basis if you work with Leverage Virtual as one of their virtual assistants. To qualify for this role, you must have your own laptop or desktop and a primary internet connection of at least 10 megabytes per second. Additionally, you should have a backup internet connection of the same speed. To apply with Leverage Virtual, visit their website and fill out the form at the bottom. Select the role you are interested in from the drop-down menu based on your skills, experience, and expectations. Take a screenshot of your internet speed results and upload it, then complete the assessment test and submit your results. You will need to add your results, place them in the designated area, create a 1-minute video introducing yourself, and then upload that video. The purpose of this video is simply to introduce yourself and inform them about who you are. One crucial aspect they look for in these videos is your speaking and articulation skills. Therefore, when discussing your experiences, abilities, education, and other important factors, make sure to speak clearly and effectively so that they can understand you. Communication skills are a key component they are assessing through these videos. So once you have completed your video, you can proceed to submit your application. After submission, they will review your application and provide feedback on how you performed. They will guide you through the hiring process and inform you of the next steps to follow in order to progress with your application. The third and final agency for today's presentation is known as Mariposa. This recruitment agency is constantly seeking South Africans who can work in call centers. Therefore, the job involves working as a call center agent, and applicants are required to have their own equipment, such as a personal computer. The agency specifies the necessary equipment and internet requirements for potential candidates to be eligible to work on their platform. The payment rate is 69.15 cents per hour. Prior to recommending job opportunities, I conduct thorough research to verify the legitimacy of the company. Many individuals have expressed dissatisfaction with the company's low pay, despite the demanding workload. However, if gaining experience is your primary goal and you are willing to work long hours for little pay, you may consider applying for the job. The agency has outlined all the prerequisites for submitting an application on their platform. It is essential to possess a personal computer or laptop with a minimum of 8 gigabytes RAM and running on Windows 10, 8, or 11. Additionally, applicants must have USB headsets with noise cancellation feature and a fiber internet connection. When I was in the process of applying and reviewing the application process here, they requested proof of my connection to fiber or Wi-Fi. Therefore, you cannot escape this requirement as they will need to verify it before hiring you. Following the submission of your application, you will be required to take a test to assess your knowledge. This test aims to evaluate your familiarity with working in a call center environment, including your past experience and tools used. These recruitment agencies are specifically looking to hire South Africans who can work remotely for US or UK companies. If you are interested in these opportunities, you can apply for these positions. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future job postings. Feel free to comment with any questions, share the video with others who may benefit, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Hey loves! Now as you can see, I've just started my YouTube journey and I would really appreciate it if you could help me reach 1,000 subscribers soon. That would show me that you guys appreciate my content and it would motivate me to upload more videos. Don't forget to hit that like button to show YouTube that you love these types of videos. See you on the next episode.